DIY and Experiment channel. Please make sure to like and subscribe down below. Okay, so let's get started. So today what we will be making is okay, everybody, so basically what you will need is a board. It could be, I don't know, just a simple plank board. You will need, you don't really need this, only if you want it for holes and stuff, wood gel or spackling paste. You will need wood stain, but you can also use spray paint if you want. And you're gonna need a permanent marker or Sharpie, and that's about it. And you can do really anything else. And I'm gonna use this gold powder too. So yeah, and let's get going. Okay, everyone. So now we are going to start on our board piece right here, and we are going to start to stain it with our gel stain. We have our gel stain right here, and we're gonna get started. And while I start to stain it, I will give you some quick tips about stain. So this is called a gel stain, so it's kind of like it almost looks like, and the texture feels like a jelly. My quick tips are, when you stain, you want to do a nice thin coat, and so then you can still see the nice natural grain, unless you want it to be completely black. Okay, everyone, so now we're back, and now I'm going to give this a just a tint of sparkle, because, you know, everyone can't resist sparkling. So we're going to just sparkle, and we're going to basically put this stain on, and I'm going to kind of smudge it. It's kind of supposed to look like stars in a way. I don't really know. I also got this at Hobby Lobby. Called Pearl X Powdered Pigments. So, sparkle. Okay. Kind of give it a gold kind of feeling. Yeah. So, kind of all going in one direction and not up and down, so it can all give it that nice feel. Okay. I kind of want it to look antique in a way, kind of like it's been around for a while. It doesn't really look like that, but you never know. So, that's probably good. Get that a little bit dusted. Okay. And we are, if you did put gold on it to make it a vintage kind of feel, just get a frag or something and just go over it to make sure it's dry, and also to just make sure that all the gold stayed on, because sometimes it doesn't. Okay, it's all good. So what we will do is I'm gonna put on Amy. So, what should I put on there? I could put on like it could sometimes be a little I'm using the surface as a cardboard, so it's still a little wet, so that's probably why it's kind of reacting to it a little differently. Yeah. So come in. Okay. And then I'm going to kind of fix the O up and everything like that. Okay. Got that. And now I'm going to let this dry, and it's basically all done. So here we are, and it says come in. So, yeah. And I'm really excited to share this with you guys, this cool DIY. I'm glad I got to share it with you guys, and yeah, see you next time on Sophia's DIY and Experiment channel. Oh, hey, how's it going? Oh, how's it going? I'm going good too. Here, come on inside. Oh, okay.